Hello dear students, this question comes in NEET 2025 from the chapter Electromagnetic Waves. The question is the electric field in a plane electromagnetic wave is given by Ez equal to 60 cos 5x plus 1.5 10 to the power 90 volt per meter. So electric field is given in the equation format where the electric field is acting in the z direction. So we have to find the then expression for the corresponding magnetic field is. So basically electric field is given in equation format. You have to find the magnetic field. So the equation for magnetic field will be equal to V naught cos 5x plus 1.5 into 10 to the power 90. So you have to find the B naught. So E naught is given as 60. So from the formula E naught equal to B naught into C. So B naught equal to E naught upon C. So E naught is given 60. C is the velocity of light, 3 into 10 to the power 8, 20. So 20 into 10 to the power minus 7 minus 8. So 2 into 10 to the power minus 7. So B naught is 2 into 10 to the power minus 7. As per the option, you have two options A and B which corresponds to this value. So either A or B. So next thing is direction. Direction are basically when electric field, magnetic field both are perpendicular to each other, then the wave propagated in a perpendicular directions. So electric field is z direction or here is x. So the answer must be in the y form to be mutually perpendicular to each other. So answer will be A, as the other factor remains constant in the magnetic field equation when we are converting to the electric field equation. So option A will be your correct answer.